In this video, I'll guide you through how to run LibreOffice from a USB drive. This is a great way to keep a portable version of LibreOffice on hand, making it easy to access your favorite Office Suite software wherever you are without needing to install it on every computer you use. Whether you're at work, school, or traveling, having LibreOffice on a USB stick is incredibly convenient. First, let's head over to Google. Open your preferred web browser and navigate to google.com. This is where we'll start our search for the portable version of LibreOffice. Once you're on Google, type in the search bar, Portable LibreOffice Free Download. This will bring up a variety of options for downloading the software. Look for a reputable source, such as the official LibreOffice website or a trusted software distribution platform, to ensure you're downloading a safe and legitimate version. After you've found a suitable site, go ahead and download the portable LibreOffice. This process might take a few minutes, depending on your internet speed, so feel free to grab a coffee or do a quick task while you wait. Once the download is complete, it's time to locate the file. Typically, downloaded files are saved in your computer's downloads folder, but this might vary if you've customized your browser settings. Now, with the file in hand, the next step is to move it onto your USB drive. Insert your USB stick into your computer and open your File Explorer. Navigate to the Downloads folder, find the LibreOffice file you just downloaded, and drag it over to your USB drive. This process will copy the file to your USB, allowing you to run LibreOffice from there in the future. Once the file is successfully moved to your USB, open the USB drive to verify that the file is there. You'll want to ensure everything is in place before proceeding to the installation phase. Locate the LibreOffice setup file on the USB. This is key because from here, you'll be able to install the software directly onto the USB, enabling its portability. Now, it's time to install LibreOffice. Double-click the setup file to begin the installation process. Follow the on-screen prompts to install the software onto the USB. The installation process is pretty straightforward. Just make sure you select the USB drive as the installation location. This ensures that LibreOffice is fully portable, allowing you to use it on different computers without needing any additional installations. And there you have it. You've successfully set up LibreOffice on your USB. Now, whenever you need to use LibreOffice, simply plug your USB into any computer and launch it directly from there. This makes accessing your documents and utilizing LibreOffice's powerful suite of tools incredibly easy and efficient, no matter where you are. Thank you for watching this quick guide on how to run LibreOffice from a USB. I hope you found it helpful. If you have any questions or need further assistance, feel free to leave a comment below. Don't forget to like and subscribe for more helpful tutorials. Happy computing!